Welcome, cosmic travelers. Embark on a thrilling space adventure with echoes of the cosmic collapse, inspired by Joshua's conquest of Canaan. Follow Jorax and the Celestial Federation as they face the secretive fortress of Jericho Prime, armed with advanced technology. Witness their faith-driven, unorthodox strategy as they strive to overcome Canaanis' trials and carve a starlit legacy. Join us in uncovering the universe's mysteries, one revelation at a time.
Starlight beaming through the void we fly. Jorax leads us with the fire in his eye. Celestial Federation standing strong. Jericho.
Part 1. The Call to Conquer. Jorax's Ascendancy. Witness Jorax's rise as he unites the celestial tribes under the Galactic Architect's vision. His powerful vision ignites their journey across the luminal river to Canaanis, where enigmatic inhabitants hint at challenges ahead. As Jorax rallies his people, they prepare to face their first major obstacle, the seemingly impregnable stronghold of Jericho Prime.
In the expanse of the Andromeda Cluster, a new chapter unfolds for the Federation.
Guided by the stars and the wisdom of the Galactic Architect, they embark on an epic mission to conquer the enigmatic planet of Canaanis.
Honored leaders of the Celestial Federation, we stand on the brink of a new era. With the passing of Mothar, the responsibility to guide our people has been entrusted to me. The Architect has spoken, and our destiny lies on the surface of Canaanis.
Jorax, the people are restless. The journey to Canaanis is fraught with peril, and the path is unknown. How can we assure them of success?
Faith, my friends. The Architect has granted me a vision, a path through the cosmic labyrinth, illuminated by our unity and resolve. We must trust in this divine guidance as we embark on this sacred mission.
As the celestial fleet approaches Canaanis, a miraculous event unfolds.
The luminal river, a conduit of cosmic energy, parts before them, revealing a clear passage to the promised land.
Jorax, the Architect's power is undeniable.
Indeed, our journey has only just begun. Stay vigilant, for the trials ahead will test our faith and our unity.
Jorax's journey begins on Canaanis, a cosmic saga of faith, destiny, and celestial legacy.
Part 2. The Siege of Jericho Prime. Echoes of the cosmic collapse. Jorax and his fleet face Jericho Prime's defenses with an unconventional strategy. With their sentient starship, Aetheris, they create a telepathic resonance that triggers a celestial shockwave, collapsing the fortress in a stunning light display. Victorious, the Celestials move forward, their unity and faith strengthened, aware of the challenges that still lie ahead on this vast planet.
In the Andromeda Cluster, the Federation faces the formidable stronghold of Jericho Prime.
These shields are unlike anything we've encountered. Conventional tactics won't suffice. We need a different approach, one that draws upon our unity and belief.
The Architect whispers of a harmonic convergence. By amplifying your telepathic resonance, you can channel a cosmic symphony capable of breaching the fortress.
Trust in the Architect's plan. It requires all of us, our hearts and minds aligned. We march around Jericho Prime, channeling our collective faith into a force of transformation.
Can you feel it? The energy? It's like we're part of something greater.
Yet Jorax and his crew must rely on faith and the Architect's guidance to overcome it.
You have freed us from tyranny. Our gratitude is eternal. Jorax of the Celestial Federation.
The Architect's light guides us all. Together, we shall forge a future of hope and unity.
Through unity and belief, the Celestial Federation has triumphed over Jericho Prime, illuminating the path to a new dawn. Join us as the saga continues, where faith reshapes the cosmos and destiny is written among the stars.
Part 3. Dividing the Promised Planet. The Legacy of Jorax. After victory, the Celestial Federation allocates Canaanis to 12 tribes under Jorax's guidance, ensuring fairness and harmony. In a key assembly, Jorax shares insights on faith and stewardship. His farewell underscores their divine purpose, leaving a legacy of aligning with higher goals. Jorax's journey inspires future generations to stay true to their beliefs.
With the conquest of Canaanis complete, the Celestial Federation faces a new challenge, dividing the promised planet among the 12 tribes. Guided by Jorax's wisdom, they seek to ensure justice and unity in their newfound home.
Honored leaders, today we stand united. Not as separate tribes, but as a single federation. The Architect has blessed us with this bountiful world. It is our duty to divide it fairly, so each tribe may flourish and contribute to our shared destiny.
Jorax, how do we ensure each tribe receives what they need to thrive?
Through understanding and cooperation. Let us approach this with open hearts and minds, recognizing the strengths and needs of each tribe. The Architect's guidance will illuminate the path.
The eastern regions offer fertile lands for cultivation. It would greatly benefit our people's expertise in agriculture.
And the northern highlands, rich in minerals, are well suited for our mining skills. We propose a mutual exchange of resources to strengthen our bonds.
By the wisdom bestowed upon us, and in the spirit of unity, I declare the divisions of Canaanis. May each tribe find prosperity and purpose in their new lands. And may our shared journey continue to be guided by faith and fellowship.
Jorax, the tribes are flourishing. Your leadership has truly united us.
Through wisdom and collaboration, the Celestial Federation has laid the foundation for a prosperous future on Canaanis. Under Jorax's leadership, the tribes thrive in unity, their destinies intertwined.
And so, the legacy of Jorax and the Celestial Federation is woven into the grand tapestry of the cosmos, a testament to the power of faith, unity, and the enduring spirit of adventure.
The Architect's light has guided us well. Remember, our strength lies in our unity and faith. As long as we hold true to these, our legacy will endure among the stars.
Thank you for joining our cosmic adventure. The universe holds endless possibilities for explorers. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.
Starlight beaming through the void we fly. Jorax leads us with the fire in his eye. Celestial Federation standing strong. Jericho prime where we belong. Shadows whisper secrets